Today is a very special day. It's the eve of Thanksgiving, and the gaming gods have truly blessed me. I managed to get my hands on not one, but two very special collectibles: the Halo Infinite Xbox Series X console and the 20th anniversary special controller. Let's take a quick look at the specs. The console supports 4K gaming at up to 120 frames per second and up to 8K of HDR. It has a 1TB of solid-state drive. The console also supports variable refresh rate and 3D special sound. The custom-designed console was recently launched by Microsoft to celebrate 20 years of Halo. Subsequently, the controller was then launched to celebrate 20 years of Xbox. And what a glorious 20 years it has been. Join me in this unboxing adventure. To start, break the seal and slide off the sleeve. This is my very first unboxing on camera, so please pardon the clumsiness. The box has this nice monochromatic photo of Master Chief on both front and back. This 20th anniversary special package includes a limited edition console, a limited edition controller, and a digital version of the Halo Infinite game. The first thing you will see inside the box is a digital direct Halo Infinite card. The console itself is well packaged and sandwiched between two thick foam blocks. Let's take a look at the accessories. The box has the Xbox, Spartan, and the 20th anniversary logo on three sides. Inside the box you'll find a high-speed HDMI 2.1 cable, the product guide, and the power cable. Finally, the Halo Infinite Limited Edition controller. This Halo-inspired bluish grey and black design with hints of gold kind of reminds me of the costumes of the Eternals. There is a special 20th anniversary logo on the battery cover. The controller also has this textured rubberized grip, which is great to hold in your hands. The gold lines are etched in the controller itself, and it looks great. Now let's unbox the console itself. 117, which represents Master Chief's alias, is marked on the package. Slide the sleeve off and remove the protective film. It is such a gorgeous design. I have to say, this is one of the best looking console ever in the history of video games, if not the best looking. The vent behind the fan is also inspired by Cortana and is now blue instead of green as it appears in the regular console. The top part of the console has this imprinted stars as seen from the surface of Zeta Halo. The body of the console itself has this dark metallic paneling with iridium gold accents, which is inspired by the Spartan armor. There is also a special 20th anniversary logo at the back of the console. Last but not the least, let's unbox the controller. This was launched to mark the 20th anniversary of the launch of the original, translucent and green Xbox. The X on the power button harks back to the original Xbox logo. There is a green metal ring around the D-pad. As you can see, there is a 20th anniversary logo in the front. The grip of the controller is green and has this textured rubberized grip, and it feels great to hold. It is also slightly less heavy than the Halo Infinite controller. The shell of the controller is translucent and you can see the motors inside. I really hope you liked the video. Would love to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. And if you love the video, please consider subscribing to my channel and share this video. Until next time, keep playing and keep winning.